Hi guys, Tom from Zick Motor Garage here. Today we're going to show you a pretty slick product from Stow & Show. It's their removable front license plate bracket. This particular one here that we have is a license plate bracket for the C8 Corvette. Most of them, the designs are pretty similar. It has a base front plate holder and has a pull pin. Pretty much that's the design. To separate it, basically you pull the little pin. This particular piece, the base, will mount to the underside of your vehicle. This piece obviously will hold your plate. This kit comes with the two pieces, installation instructions and mounting hardware, both for the plate and for the base. Now, the base, sometimes the hardware will vary depending on the vehicle that you're going to be installing this on. So this particular vehicle, the Corvette, we will be removing the existing factory screws and replacing them with the screws that come with your kit. And in this particular case, we will have to drill a little pilot hole to mount this base to the underside of the car. Now, it is on the underside of the vehicle. The little pilot hole basically goes into the plastic piece just to secure it in place. Some vehicles do not require any drilling because the way that the holes, the factory holes are outlined, the bases will perfectly fit with even the existing screws that come on the vehicle. And again, every kit is different depending on your make and model. We do offer these brackets for many different vehicles. We have a wide range of brackets available for you guys. All right, this particular one, like for example, the Corvette, this will fit the Stingray Z51 with the Z51 package. Now, if you have the base, it's going to be a different part. If you have a ZR1, a Z06, an E-Ray, all of those will require a different type of bracket. So please make sure when you're selecting your bracket to select the correct one. If you're not sure, please give us a call. We'll be happy to help you to make sure that you do get the right bracket for your specific vehicle, okay? It's important, otherwise you're gonna order one and then you're just gonna have to return it and exchange it. So you better double check if you're not sure. Next, we're gonna go into the installation part, so we'll see you soon. Okay, now onto the installation of the Stow & Show license plate bracket. This is the SNS 200A. This is for the 2026 Corvette Stingray with the Z51 package. With the Z51, you do get that lip spoiler here, so the bracket is gonna be different than the standard base and without the Z51 pack. So the license plate bracket looks like this again. What we're going to be installing is this base onto these three screws. In order to install this, we're going to be removing these three screws, these T15 torque bit screws, and installing this here. One other thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be drilling a little hole for this particular hole right in the center here. This will be to secure that plate base in place. First, we're going to remove the existing screws that are on the vehicle. Those are going to be replaced with the screws that actually come with your kit. To install these, we're going to be using a 7mm ratchet. One thing to keep in mind when you are securing these, make sure you don't over tighten or it's going to strip that area and you just won't be able to tighten this further. So just be careful when you do this. Get started by hand. Once it's secure on the car, before you drill your hole, make sure you fit your plate holder to ensure that it is installed properly so far. Pull your little pin, slide it in until it clicks, and it should be pretty secure. Now make sure you check the distance between the plate holder and your lip spoiler. Make sure it's not touching. Everything looks good. If it is, then you continue with drilling the hole and completing your
installation of the base plate. Now we're going to drill our little pilot hole. We're using an 1/8 inch drill bit. Make sure when you do this, don't go too deep, just enough. Get the screw in. That's it. Now that we have the hole pre-drilled, we're just going to install that final bolt. Again, make sure when you get to the end, don't over tighten it. Once it's flush, that's secure. Okay, now we can install the license plate holder. Put up the clicks, and your installation is complete. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support really helps our channel grow and lets us bring you more great content like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.